Hi guys, it's Ray. It is Happy Mail time. This is my Butterfly Lane Designs box. Well, not box. Envelope from last week's drop that I was so excited about. So, here we go. Make sure I got it all. So we're going to look at the vinyls first. So this is the medium print of this design, and this is stunning. Look at this lavender and pink and purple. I love it. And this is another one, kind of retro daisies. This is also a medium print. This one's a small print of a different variation of this. Super cute. This is the small print of these sea turtles. Aren't they so freaking adorable? I love it. And sea turtles in coral. I also got the small print in this one. In this peachy orange. More retro kind of flowers. I got the medium print. And this one I also went with the medium. And then this one is a VC, which is a clear printed. So, and this was the small on this one. All the rest of these are opaques. This was the only one I got in a VC. So, on to the decals, because some of these match these perfect. Let me move these back in. Jessica has set up on her website a section for matching vinyls and decals to make it easier for you to pair stuff together. So make sure you look for that. But this decal says, "What doesn't kill you disappoints me." This one says, "Home is where the ocean is." Just had a little piece of lint on it. And this one is made to match this one. This one says, "The ocean is filled with untamed magic." Love that. This goes with this. This one says, "Let the sea set you free." This could go with either or both combined. This one says, "Be gentle with yourself." That goes with that. This one says, "Grow wild." This could go with this one or this one. So this one says, "Stay wild, ocean child." Probably wouldn't combine this with any of these. This one says, "Mother." This one I plan to use with this one. This one says, "She is strong." You'll also use that with that one. This one says, "Choose happy." Clearly this goes with this. This one says, "Accept yourself," which goes with that. This one says, "Remember why you started." Also a match to that. I think I have enough of this vinyl left over from a while back. But this one says, "Whatever it takes." This one says, "Be fearlessly authentic." And this one says, "Don't just exist, live." So that is everything I got. I didn't get anything to go with this one. I do kind of think this would go with it. This one's earmarked for something else, but that's why it's sitting here. But that is my haul for now. I'm going to leave these stacked right the way I'm going to use them for now. I do have a link and a code in the description box below. Please keep in mind, if you're ordering a regular order and a sub box, which the sub box won't be open again until the 1st, but do join her Facebook group so you'll be notified when they go live. And join her Facebook group anyways, because she is closing in on 1,000 members there. I think she had 9 to go as of when I looked today, and it would be awesome to get her there. So I'm going to end this one, and I'm going to get a cup prepped, and we are going to get some turtles on a tumbler immediately. I will see you next time.